Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Daisy. If you have a DTF printer or are planning on purchasing one and would like to know what items you can customize with DTF printings, in this video I'm going to share with you 10 items that you can customize using DTF printings. I'm going to show you how to work with the design, how to print it, how to cure it, and how to transfer it to the items. And for this project, we're going to use a DTF printer. I'm going to be using my Procolored DTF printer, DTF transfer film, DTF printer. This time I'm going to be using yamation DTF transfer film and DTF printer. The DTF film comes in letter size A3 with glitter, glow in the dark, holographic, gold, chameleon, and regular. To cure the printings, we're going to need a DTF oven. To press the design, we're going to need a heat press. Now, I'm going to start working with the design. Open the ProRip software. Click on this icon to insert the image. Open the folder where you have your image, select it and open it. Resize it to your liking using the bar on the bottom left corner. When the design is ready, click on Rip. On combination, you're going to select 1440 by 1440 dpi. On print mode, you're going to select automatic and also make sure you select mirror mode. Now click on print. This design is big. I think it measures 11 by 12 inches. So I'm going to use an A3 DTF film. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using yamation DTF film. The matte side of this film is the printing side. Now I'm going to apply DTF printer to this printing. I'm going to use yamation medium DTF printer. Now I'm going to cure it using an oven. I'm going to bake it at 120 degrees Celsius for 200 seconds. Now that I already showed you how to create these beautiful printings, I'm going to start with the customization of the 10 items. I'm going to start with this t-shirt. What I like about these printings is that you can customize on any color of t-shirt, because as you can see, it has a white film, a white layer on the back. So this one can be used to customize any color of t-shirt. Now let's start. To press the design, I'm going to be using my HTV Round auto heat press machine. You can secure the design using heat tape. Now place a piece of butcher paper on top of the design, this to protect the fabric from the heat. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. I'm going to press this design at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds. it's ready. Let it cool down before removing the film. Beautiful, look at those colors, very vivid and bright. And the printing feels like it's part of the fabric. I really love DTF printings because you can customize on any type of fabric and color. Now that I already showed you how to customize t-shirts using DTF printings, I'm going to move to the second custom item. I'm going to be customizing canvas tote bags. Since the fabric is thicker, we're going to press it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 seconds. The design looks beautiful on the bag. You can customize any color of canvas tote bag. Now we're going to move to the third custom item. We can customize beautiful cushion covers using DTF printings. If the fabric is thin, we're going to use the same parameters as we use for the t-shirt. If the fabric is thicker, we're going to use the same parameters as we used for the tote bag. I'm not going to show you the pressing since it's similar to the two previous items. Now I'm going to customize fabric party favor bags. For this, I'm going to be using glow-in-the-dark DTF film. I haven't transferred it yet, but the design is going to be glow-in-the-dark. Place the bags, leaving the thicker side on the outside of the press. Since they are small, you can press several at the same time. I'm going to press them at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 seconds. You can create promotional items, party favors, or you can even use them for small gifts. They are so cute. Now I'm going to customize the next item. I will be customizing this hat. And to press the design on the hat, I'm going to be using my HTV Ront hat heat press machine. To make it easy to press, I like to cut around the design. Then I will place it on the hat and I will secure it with heat resistant tape. Then I'm going to press at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 seconds. I love the hats customized with DTF printings. You can customize them with any design or even logos to create promotional items. Now I'm going to customize a door banner. This is a custom-made canvas banner. If you would like to learn how to sew one of these, I invite you to look for my tutorial on my channel. If you don't know how to sew, you can find them on Amazon. I'm going to link them in the video description below. I'm going to customize this one on both sides. I'm going to press the designs at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 seconds. I'm going to press the smaller design first and then the big one. Don't remove the transparent film until you're finished with both pressings. These wall banners are beautiful to decorate baby rooms, also for baby announcement at hospital doors. Now I'm going to move to the item number 7. I'm going to be customizing kitchen towels. I printed the design using holographic transfer film. I'm going to press it at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. And here is the result. The design is beautiful. It's holographic. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on the camera, but believe me, in person looks beautiful. Now I'm going to customize paper bags. This is one of my favorite items to customize with DTF. I like to create my own promotional items and give them my personal touch. I'm going to press these bags at a very low temperature and time. If we press too much, the handles of the bag may come off. Also, to press these bags, I don't use heat-resistant tape because it can stain the bags. This is how easy you can create your own paper bags to deliver your products. If you like this item, wait until you see the next one. I'm going to show you how to customize shipping boxes. I'm going to press the designs on the cardboard boxes at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. Same temperature and time as we did with the paper bags. I'm not going to use heat tape on these ones either. If you are wondering where you can get these boxes, I ordered mine from Amazon. I'm going to link all of the products used in this tutorial in the video description down below. Aren't they beautiful? These boxes are going to give a very professional touch to your deliveries. Now I'm going to move to the last item. I'm going to show you how to customize some wood using DTF printings. You can customize wood using any design, or also you can customize it using pictures. To press on wood, I'm going to be using my PYD Live heat press machine. I like to use this one to press on wood because with this machine I have the freedom to adjust the pressure. I'm going to press the design on the wood at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. It looks very cute. This is going to be a Mother's Day wooden box. To press the design on the body of the box, I'm using a mini heat press machine. Now you already know 10 unique items that you can customize using your DTF printings. Remember to check the description down below, since there I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to customize 10 items using DTF printings. If you like this video, I invite you to please support this channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.